Today I'm going to be unboxing the ArcCaptain plasma cutter. This is the Cut 60HF. HF being high frequency, I'm sure. I've already opened the top because you probably don't want to watch me opening the top of a box. And of course there's a box in a box. And woohoo! There it is. So far, what have we got? We've got ground clamp, and we have the plasma torch. Oh, that looks nice. Man, ArcCaptain, you make nice stuff. Sorry, I'm probably not framing anything correctly. We have a strap. We have an adapter which will take you to 220 volts, 3-pin from a 110, 120 volts, 15, 20 amp. Okay. So that's the top box out. And then we have the item. I'm going to put you down for a second. Okay, and we're back. We have a hose for the airline. That's nice. Manual with some pretty cool stickers. We have the item itself. This is the power cable it comes with. It's a 220, 240 volt, 3-pin North American style. So that should also fit in a four-pin style socket. Oh, don't drop it. Hang. Okay, so here we are. Side of the machine. Front of the machine, not plugged in, of course. This is a cover for something that I can't get off at the moment. I'm lying, that's a button. Okay, aircraft style connector, bayonet style. On the back we have our air regulator. You can see that it's dual voltage, on-off button, fan. I believe the air regulator on this is controlled from the front. Or maybe not controlled, but you can see what's going on at the front of the machine. Okay, let's start with the ground clamp. Nice and long, nice soft cable, very flexible. Big fan of ArcCaptain, by the way. Got their multi-process, the MP200, I believe. Good quality clamp. And you can see the cable in there. It looks like it's actually copper. And on this end, that looks nice and long. Good cable. Also very flexible. The business end, you have a protection here. It comes with this little doodad on here, I guess to help you do spacing. This is the high frequency start one, so you don't need to touch off. Yep. Oh, pretty cool. You can see what style it takes. I really need another hand for this, or a tripod. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. So in terms of feel, Has a nice strain relief, nice long cable. I'll have to put all the specs in later on. Your air hose line goes onto there. You can use a quick connect, it looks like, so you don't have to use this. Very cool. Okay, next video, we're going to turn it on and burn something.